India, once known as Akhand Bharat. What many of us know is Pakistan and Bangladesh are two countries divided from India, but very less people know that there are 15 other countries which are divided from Akhand Bharat. Question pops in everyone's mind is, what are those 15 countries which are divided from Akhand Bharat? Do they share same culture as India even today? For next 3 minutes, I am going to tell you unknown facts of 15 countries divided from Akhand Bharat. Stay tuned and watch full video.
Welcome back to Fact Desk. I will be uploading short and simplified information in one video every alternative day with most interesting facts and trending topics which everyone should have knowledge. If you not yet subscribe the channel, please subscribe and press bell icon.
Let's begin our video from Akhand Bharat, which was one of the largest countries in ancient world. As per time, regions divided borders and established their own countries and culture. You will be shocked after knowing that India alone gave birth to 15 countries. First in list is Iran. When Aryans made settlement in Aryan Balochistan region, the land got named Iriana, and later Persians made settlement and they called Iran, which is called land of Aryans. Next one is Nepal, which is also part of India and later separated. It is the land where Lord Buddha was born and founded Buddhism by spreading peace across the world. Third one is Vietnam, which is also called as Champa and ruled by Hindu kings until 1832, and later it was King Ming who established Vietnam Empire. And not to forget, even today we can see lot of Hindu temples in Vietnam and Hindu culture is widely followed. Fourth in list is Malaysia, which is said to come from Sanskrit word Malayu, which means land of mountains, and it was Indians who practiced and spread the roots of Buddhism in Malaysia, and later it got independence from British colonial rule. Fifth one is Indonesia, which was part of India. Today Indonesia has 99% of Muslim population, but trust me, once Indonesia was Hindu majority country, and even today Lord Rama is worshipped by both Hindus and Muslims. Number 6, Bhutan. Back in Vedas and Puranas, you can find the traces of relation between India Bhutan, and it is also mentioned that China kings defeated Indian kings and captured Bhutan. Seventh in list is Afghanistan. The roots of Hindu tradition in Afghanistan dates back to the time of Mahabharata, where Shakuni was born in Gandhara, which is part of Afghanistan now. After Islamic invasion, the Hindu culture was completely destroyed and turned to Islamic nation. Eighth one is Cambodia, which is influenced by Hinduism during the beginning of Funan kingdom, and later Cambodia separated and chose to be independent country. And today Cambodia is home for Holy Temple Angkor Wat, which is largest Hindu temple in world. Number 9, Philippines. Even though Muslims occupied and ruled for many years, it is only Christian nation in Asia, and you will be shocked that even this country was part of Akhand Bharat, and many people will follow Indian culture even today. Coming 10th in list is Sri Lanka, which has huge relation from the time of Ramayana, and it was in year 1937 Britishers separated Sri Lanka from India. Number 11, Myanmar, which is also called as Burma. It is said that Prince of Varanasi was the ruler of Burma, which was part of Akhand Bharat. It was 1852 when Britishers captured and ruled Burma, and later in 1937 they separated Burma from India. 12th in list is Pakistan. Today Pakistan, which is known as terror capital of world, but once Pakistan was part of India. And not to forget, world's oldest university Takshashila produced greatest scholars, and it was 1947 when Pakistan separated from India based on religious issue. Number 13, Bangladesh. Even after Indian independence, Bangladesh was part of India and it was called East Pakistan. Later in year 1971, Indian army separated Bangladesh from Pakistan control. Number 14, Thailand, which was also part of India. In ancient India, it was Hinduism which practiced in majority, and later Buddhism was practiced and separated from Akhand Bharat. Last and 15th one is Tibet. The relation between Tibet and India is mentioned from the time of Vedas and Puranas, and even today Buddhism is main practiced religion of Tibet, and it was Chinese kings who invaded Tibet and separated from India. This is less known history of Akhand Bharat, which our books never tell us, but it is in your hand to let people know the truth. Kindly share this knowledge and comment your views in comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting and trending videos.